In this video, I'm going to show you how you can connect a NameCheap domain to your Shopify store. So this is very easy, very simple. So here's what you need to do. So first you need to go ahead and go to your Shopify dashboard. And once you're here, you want to go into the bottom left-hand corner and here you'll see settings. Then once this window opens, you want to then find domains. So scroll down and you should then see domains. So then click on domains. Once you're in domains, you can then buy or connect a domain, but since we've already got a domain registered with NameCheap, we're going to click here where it says connect existing domain. Now we can go ahead and type in that domain. So go back to NameCheap, log into your account, and then you want to go ahead and go to your dashboard on NameCheap. Now once you're on your dashboard, if you go to domain list, you should then be able to see all of the domains that you've got registered. I'm going to use this just as an example to show you how you connect a domain. So my domain name is called onlinehowtoguide.click. So I'm going to copy this. Now we can go back to Shopify. I'll type www. And then paste in the rest of this domain, onlinehowtoguide.click. Now we can click on next. And now we need to follow the instructions to connect the domain. So we can now click on follow settings instructions. Once you've clicked on that, it will take you to this page where this person is going to explain to you how to do it. Now, there are going to be some important records that you need to add, and I'm going to put them in the description below, as well as show you how to do it on screen as well. So what we need to do now is we need to go ahead and go to NameCheap, and we need to add some records to our NameCheap domain. So if you go ahead and go to NameCheap, go to your domain and then click manage. Here is what you need to do now. It's very easy and very simple. So make sure you're on NameCheap Basic DNS, then go to Advanced DNS, and here we need to add 2 records. So scroll down, and if you've got any existing A records or cname records, just go ahead and delete these. So I'm going to delete all of these records. So now we need to add 1 cname record and 1 A record. So click Add New Record, and we're adding here a cname record. So click on that. Then for host, you want to type www. And then in the value, you want to enter this. So I'll put this in the description. You want to copy here shops.myshopify.com. So go ahead and paste that in here. Then leave TTL on automatic and click Save Changes. Now you've done that, we need to go to Add New Record and we need to add an A record. For the host, put @ and then where it says IP address here, you want to go ahead and copy this IP address here. Again, this will all be in the description. Paste that in and then click this tick. Remember to save the changes and click the tick. Okay, so now this in theory should be done, but it could take up to like 24 hours for Shopify to recognize it. But first we can click on verify connection. If you get this error message here now, again, it might take a couple of hours for it to actually verify. So just keep trying. And you can see there you go, it now did work. And now what you can do, you can go ahead and click on your domain name and you can see it is the primary domain. So when this SSL certificate has updated, when all of the records have updated, give it 24 hours to 48 hours, it will work. And you can see, look, it already takes me to my Shopify store. I'm going to need to use the password though, because I haven't set anything up. So that's how you can do it. I hope that helped you out. Any questions, put them in the comment section below.